has, yeah. It's meant that we can provide the right services at the right time with the right people present. It means we can improve our customer satisfaction in terms of delivery of services. The vulnerable people in communities may, if they suffer from something like a dementia or stroke, they might actually revert back to a first language of choice, which in many cases could be Welsh. And it's important that we've got employees who can then speak with that in that first language of choice to help people who are particularly vulnerable. Another example might be where we've got very young children who are brought up with speaking Welsh as first language. It's important that we've got staff who can converse with those young people, young children, in their language of choice. I think it also it ensures that, apart from ensuring that people can keep their dignity about the type of language choice they want, there are examples where actually having that language choice keeps people safe. So my example of somebody with dementia or issues in terms of where they perhaps lost the ability to speak English, if in order for them to converse safely and for us to get the correct information from those individuals about the sorts of services they need, then we need to have the people who can speak those languages, speak Welsh with them. We have also, we've discovered as well that by having Welsh-speaking employees obviously reduces the need for translators and the cost of that as well. And then we also try and encourage our learners in Welsh and those who perhaps don't get the opportunity to speak Welsh in services. And one of our employees has actually started up a Welsh conversation club, which meets on a lunch time. So that's a really good opportunity for people to get together and learn and encourage each other to speak Welsh, even if it's not actually delivering services. So it's all about improving confidence in employees and also making it something that's encouraged rather than frowned upon. And I think it also improves the reputation of the council because we can deliver those services in the first language of choice.